Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. In this lecture we will able to draw helix of a cylinder. Now to understand what is a helix of a cylinder, we will consider a sum where we have to draw a helix of a cylinder for one turn, where the diameter of a cylinder is 40 mm and the height of the cylinder is 80 mm. And further it is given the pitch of helix is 60. What is pitch? I'll just let you know. Now first we have given the diameter of the circle, which is 40 mm. So cylinder has a diameter and it has a height. So height is 80. Now when I open a cylinder, it becomes a straight rectangular shape. Now if I mark a line across the cylinder like this, and when I rotate it, the curve which forms, this curve which you look, is nothing but an helix. So the curve which forms on the cylinder is nothing but a helix. Now we will understand what is a pitch. This height which you look, the line which has been drawn, that height is nothing but called as a pitch. So when the cylinder, this curve is helix. Now to draw the actual solution, if we look from the front side of a cylinder, it looks like a rectangular shape. And when you look from the top side, it looks like a circle. So front view of a cylinder is a rectangle and top view is a circle. Now to draw, first we will mark a line. Upper side we will draw the front view of a rectangle and lower side we will draw the top view. So as you know, the front view of a cylinder is nothing but a rectangle. So here we have drawn a rectangle with one side as 40 and the height is 80, which is given. Now lower side we will draw the top view, and top view is nothing but a circle with diameter of 40 mm. So here we will draw a circle with diameter as 40 mm. Top view is a circle. Now we will divide the circle into 12 equal parts. You know that the more you divide, the more points you get to plot. You can do it in 6, you can do it in 8, or you can do it in 12. The more division, the more points you get to plot. Now we are marking the pitch height, which is 60 mm. So we will mark a line of 60 mm. In exam, the height of the helix can be variable, so you can mark that accordingly. So the pitch height is 60 mm. Now as we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts, you have to divide the pitch also in 12 equal parts. If you divide it in 6, you have to divide the pitch line in 6. So for division into 12 equal parts, you know the rule how to do it. So we have divided it into 12 equal parts. Now draw parallel lines from the top view, as you can see, projecting it upwards. From every point, draw the line upwards. Now mark the points as 6 dash, 8 dash, 5 dash, 9 dash, 4 dash, 10 dash, and like that, as it is intersecting from the bottom top view. After drawing that, you have to join the lines. Now you have to join the lines as you see, from A to 2 dash, B to 3 dash, C to 4 dash, D to 5 dash, E to 6 dash, F to 7 dash, G to 8 dash, H to 9 dash, I to 10 dash, J to 11 dash, and K to 12 dash. So these are the points which have been plotted. Now you have to join this using the French curve. You need some practice, but you will understand it to use after a while. The upper lines I have drawn dotted as it is hidden behind the cylinder. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture.